Connecting your Turtle Beach Stealth 600 series headset to your Xbox is designed to be straightforward. These headsets pair directly with your Xbox console, similar to how Xbox controllers connect wirelessly. Your Turtle Beach Stealth 600 headset connects wirelessly to your Xbox without any cables. The pairing process works exactly like connecting an Xbox controller to your console. Step 1. Put your Xbox in pairing mode. Press and hold the pairing button on your Xbox console until the LED light blinks rapidly. This button is located on the side of Xbox One consoles and on the front of Xbox Series X and Series S consoles. Step 2. Prepare your headset based on which generation you have. For Stealth 600 Gen 2, power on the headset and press and hold the Connect button until its LED flashes rapidly. For Stealth 600 Gen 3, make sure the USB transmitter is switched to Xbox mode. Step 3. Confirm successful pairing. You'll know the pairing worked when you see solid LED lights on both your headset and Xbox console. A headset assigned message should appear on your TV screen, and audio will now route through your headset. If pairing fails, try performing a hard reset of your Xbox. Hold the power button until the console completely shuts down. Unplug the power cable for a few minutes, then reconnect and restart. This hard reset often resolves pairing issues, and you can then repeat the pairing process. Your Turtle Beach Stealth 600 headset is now successfully paired and connected to your Xbox console. You're ready to enjoy wireless gaming audio with your new headset. Now that your Turtle Beach Stealth 600 is paired with your Xbox, it's time to optimize your audio settings for the best gaming experience. The first step is configuring your Xbox audio settings properly. Navigate to your Xbox audio settings and locate the headset format option. For the best spatial audio experience, set your headset format to Windows Sonic for headphones. This technology provides enhanced three-dimensional sound positioning. Next, adjust your headset volume and chat mixer settings to your personal preference. You can find these controls in the Xbox audio settings menu. The chat mixer allows you to balance game audio with voice chat perfectly. Keeping your headset firmware updated is crucial for optimal performance and compatibility. Use the Turtle Beach Audio Hub software on your PC or Mac to check for and install firmware updates regularly. Some users have reported volume control issues after firmware updates, particularly with version 6.72.1422.0 for the Stealth 600 Gen 3. If you experience problems, check Turtle Beach's support resources for the latest fixes and solutions. For optimal performance, disable superhuman hearing unless you're in intense gaming scenarios where you need enhanced audio cues. Also, adjust mic monitoring in the Audio Hub to hear your own voice and prevent accidentally yelling into the microphone. If problems persist, you can reset your headset by pressing and holding both the Xbox pairing button and mode button simultaneously for 20 seconds. This is a long press, so make sure not to release the buttons early. This reset can resolve many connectivity and performance issues. With these optimization tips and troubleshooting solutions, you should now have your Turtle Beach Stealth 600 headset working perfectly with your Xbox console. Remember to keep your firmware updated and check Turtle Beach support resources if you encounter any issues.